Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang weekly top 5 cryptos to watch. Ito daw po yung mga top 5 na mga cryptos na kailangan daw po nating bantayan sa loob ng linggo na ito. Siyempre, ang una dyan ay si Ripple or si XRP. Ang pangalawa ay si Dogecoin. Yan, pangatlo ay si Fluky. Yan, pang-apat ay si SHIB at ang panglima ay si FET. Yan, FET. Ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan, sabi rito ay the idea in crypto called October wasn't a fluke this time as Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, made a staggering uptrend run with over 26% rally, setting up the tune for many altcoins and higher capitalization tokens rallying too. Ayan, yung sinasabi nilang October kasi basta pagsapit ng October ay nagsisitakyatan po yung presyo ng halos lahat ng mga cryptocurrency at kasama na po dyan si Bitcoin. At yan, yung tinatawag po nilang October ay hindi po tayo binigo. Talagang umakyat po ang mga cryptocurrencies at pinangunahan po ito ni Bitcoin. Umangat po siya ng 26% na rally. Ayan, kaya kung pag binabantayan po natin yung ating chart ay ito po ay ating nasaksihan yung kanyang pag-akyat. Yan, Bitcoin's rally has come as a big shock to many despite the news of the Bitcoin Spot Exchange Traded Fund coming out as a fake news and the price of Bitcoin remaining strong as many traders and investors believe Bitcoin Spot ETF will be approved before the next Bitcoin bull run. Ayan. Yan po kasi yung nagdulot sa pag-angat sa presyo ni Bitcoin, yung nalalapit na approval po ng Bitcoin Spot Exchange Traded Fund o ang ETF. Kaya nagkaroon ng price rally or price surge si Bitcoin. The Bitcoin price action in recent weeks has highlighted a bullish price action for many traders and investors, setting the tone of what is to come ahead of its pre-halving and halving in the coming months as the bearish price run could gradually come to an end for most major cryptocurrency is struggling to remain afloat. Ayan. Mukhang naghahanda na po talaga si Bitcoin para umakyat. Kaya lalong-lalo na at paparating na rin yung pre-halving at saka halving yan sa mga susunod na buwan. Kaya yan, mukhang patapos na ang bearish market. Mukhang mag-uumpisa na ang bull market. Bitcoin's rally has resulted in many short liquidations of over $400 million within a few hours of its rally as bulls continue to show dominance in the cryptocurrency market, as seen with many weekly top 5 cryptos, XRP, Doge, Fluky, SHIB, FET, to watch all showing great recovery signs. Kaya yan, marami raw pong mga na-liquidate na mga naka-short position dito kay Bitcoin. Yung mga naka-short position ay ito po yung nakabukas po or meron po silang trade na sell. Ayan, or short yung tawag dyan. Kung pag bumabagsak ang presyo ni Bitcoin ay dyan po sila kumikita. Ayan, kung pag aakyat yung presyo ni Bitcoin ay dyan po sila matatalo. Kaya yan, marami pong mga naka-short kasi bearish market nga tayo kay Bitcoin. Pero nung nitong nakalipas na araw kung saan ay nagkaroon ng price surge ay marami po sa kanila ang na-liquidate. Yan, or nagsara. Kasi umangat si Bitcoin, tumaas. Kaya sabi dito, over or higit $400 million ang nawala. Yan, na-liquidate. Yan, natalo yung mga naka-shorts. Kaya, ayan, ito po yung lima na naman na nagpapakita ng sign of recovery, katulad ni Bitcoin na nagpapakita na parang ito na ang umpisa ng bull market. Kaya katulad ni Bitcoin ay ito po yung top 5 currency na nagpapakita na rin ng sign, recovery sign, na mukhang ito na rin yung oras na sila ay mag-uumpisa para magpatuloy sa pag-akyat. Kaya yan, or tuloy-tuloy na aakyat. Despite many cryptocurrencies showing some great price action in recent days and weeks, a major worry has been cast on Ethereum's price action, as the price has shown much lag in the past weeks, not meeting the expectations of traders and investors who believe Ethereum should be the one outperforming Bitcoin in this current bullish run. Ayan, maraming naniniwala na si Ethereum raw yung talagang magpapakitang gilas or magpapakita ng napakagandang performance sa paparating or bullish market ngayon. Pero ayan, sa hindi inaasahan ay hindi po ito yung nangyari. Nanghina po talaga ang Ethereum. Kaya ayan, muling si Bitcoin ang bida po ngayon sa bull run. Ayan, siya pa rin. Kaya yan po ang nangyari. The heat map describing the performance of the cryptocurrency market on coin360.com has indicated a bullish price action for Bitcoin, as the price action for Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies remain in a red zone with little bullish price action for them. Ayan. Medyo yan, maliit daw yung bullish price action dito kay Ethereum at saka ibang mga cryptocurrencies kumpara ngayon sa nakikitang bullish price action dito kay Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin range between $25,000 to $500 to $26,800 for over 2 months, as the price recaptured the high of $29,000 within a few hours after highlighting a bullish price rally, as there was rumor of Bitcoin ETF being approved. Ayan, rumor pa yung sabi rito, pagkakasabi, kasi hindi po tayo nakakasiguro kung talagang maa-approve ang Bitcoin ETF na ito. Pero maraming nagsasabi na talagang walang magagawa ang SEC kundi i-approve yan. Despite the news coming out as a fake, the price of Bitcoin does not look like it's slowing down anytime soon, as the price broke out of two key resistances of $30,500 and $32,000, setting up to the tune for the price of Bitcoin hitting a new yearly high. Ayan, maski fake news yung nailabas na balita tungkol dito sa Bitcoin ETF na ito, ay mukhang hindi ito hindi maapektuhan yung patuloy na pag-akyat ni Bitcoin. Ayan, mukhang parang tuloy-tuloy lamang ito sa kanyang pag-akyat, kasi nabasag po niya yung dalawang matitigas na resistance line nito. Kaya yan, Bitcoin rallied swiftly to a high of $35,000 after breaking a major resistance of $32,000, as the price could be eyeing a rally to the highs of $40,000 to $45,000 if this bullish price action is sustained. Ayan, kung pag nagpatuloy daw yung bullish momentum or yung puwersa ng bullish dito kay Bitcoin, ay mukhang kakayanin po niyang akyatin ang mga presyong $40,000 to $45,000. The price of Bitcoin would be looking at forming a strong support base at 32K, which would be a good sign to maintain its bullish price run to a new highs in the coming weeks and days, as traders and investors would be looking to capitalize on this opportunity. Yan, kung pag magiging solid daw po or napakatigas na suporta ang 32K or $32,000 na presyo dito kay Bitcoin, ay talagang maganda raw po itong sinyalis na magkakaroon na talaga ng bullish price run si Bitcoin sa mga susunod na mga linggo at mga araw. Kaya yan na labis na ikatutuwa ng mga traders at saka mga investors. The price of Bitcoin for the first time this year sits comfortably above its 38.2% Fibonacci retracement value, highlighting bullish price action for the market as the price needs to break above the $35,000 price range for more bullish price action to $40,000. This weekly, monthly, relative strength index and moving average convergence divergence all indicate a much bullish action for Bitcoin bulls, as price could rally more in the coming weeks and months. Ayan, maraming mga indicators ang nagpapakita ng signal ngayon na napaka-bullish ni Bitcoin. Kaya aasahan daw natin na nitong paparating na mga araw, linggo at buwan ay magpapatuloy lamang sa pag-rally or bullish rally si Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price on the daily and weekly time frames indicates price trading above its 50-day and 200-day exponential moving average or EMA for the first time in months as bulls continue to dominate. Ayan. Ito po yung sikat na 50-day at saka 200-day na EMA. Ayan, mga moving averages na ginagamit po ng maraming mga analyst. Yan, nagpapakita na rin po ito ng isang bullish signal. Yan, for the first time sa kauna-unahan. Yan, sa loob ng buwan. Ayan, in months. Ayan, ng ilang mga buwan. Sa loob ng ilang mga buwan. A retracement for Bitcoin could be a healthy one to a region of $32,000, acting as a support base for Bitcoin price. If the price breaks below $31,000 to $30,000, this could open the floodgates for bears to push the price of BTC low. But as it seems, the bulls remain much in charge for the price of Bitcoin as the price faces a key breakthrough above $35,000. Ayan, kung sakali, kasi hindi po tayo nakakasiguro kung talagang aakyat nga si Bitcoin. Kasi nakasalalay po talaga yung nakasalalay po yung galaw ni Bitcoin kung aangat ito or babagsak dito sa presyong $32,000. Yan, lalong-lalo na dito sa 31 at saka 30. Yan, dito sa $30,000 to $31,000 na presyo ni Bitcoin, ay ito talaga yung parang pinaka support level natin kay Bitcoin. Kung nabasag po ito ni Bitcoin, yan, muling bumalik sa ilalim, ay mukhang dito po ulit magpapatuloy or magkakaroon ng bearish momentum or pagbagsak si Bitcoin sa mababang presyo ulit. Kaya yan, pero base naman po sa ipinapakita ng mga bullish momentum natin dito or yung persa ng bulls, ay mukhang mas pabor po yung kung mas pabor yung momentum or yung direksyon na aakyatin ni Bitcoin na yan, pataas yung kanyang magiging galaw. Despite BTC price showing some incredible price action, Ethereum continues to lag after breaking through its resistance of $1,750 as the price faces another strong resistance in the region of $1,830, preventing Ethereum from rallying to a region of $1,950 or even $2,000. Yan naman po si Ethereum. The price of Ethereum currently sits above its 50-day and 200-day EMA. Still, it faces strong resistance to trade above $1,800 as its price remains in the shadow of other cryptocurrencies such as Solana, Injective Protocol, and Bitcoin as the better performers. Ayan, mukhang hindi po maganda ang kalagayan ni Ethereum. Let us shift our attention to some altcoins and meme coins showing some good price actions as the new week presents promising opportunities for traders and investors to pay close attention to these weekly top 5 cryptos. Ayan, XRP, Doge, Floki, SHIB, FEET. Ayan, ito na po. Dito na po tayo sa top 5 na mga altcoins na cryptocurrencies na kailangan daw po nating tutukan or bantayan sa loob ng linggo na ito. Ayan. The price action of Fluky Ino. Unahin po natin si Fluky Ino. Nakikita po natin dito. Ayan, si Fluky Ino. has been a spectacle to watch in the past few weeks as the price displayed so much price action, outperforming the likes of Pepe, SHIB, and Dodge as the price of Fluky Ino USDT remain in one of the top performers of the month. Ayan. Nahigitan po niya. Siya po ang top performer na altcoin sa loob ng buwan na ito, si Fluky Ino. Nahigitan po niya sina Pepe, Shiba Inu at saka si Dogecoin. At sa tingin ko po kasi maganda po kasi yung inilabas nila na kanilang developments. Naglabas sila ng maganda yung kanilang platform. Yan, at syempre meron silang inilabas na kanilang bagong token. After trading in a range for weeks, the price of Fluky Ino USDT broke out with a great volume about the region of 40 digits 185 as the price rallied to a high of 40 digits 400 with over 200% rally in less than a month for this token as the price could still really high to 40 digits 700 as it maintains its bullish trend. Fluky has remained a significant center of attraction for meme coins in recent weeks due to its massive gains for many traders and investors. And a big catalyst for this rally could be attributed to the release of its token Fi as a staking program would commence soon. Ayan nga yung sinasabi ko kanina. Yung isa sa nagdulot sa catalyst or yung pagtaas sa presyo ni Fluky Ino yung pag-release nila ng kanilang bagong token na tinatawag po nilang Fi. Ito po yung token na gagamitin sa kanilang bagong staking program na kanilang ilalabas. And the Fluky's Decentralized Autonomous Organization or DAO revealed their plans to launch a new token Fi with a ticker token for its community to enable the staking of Fluky as they earn token in return as their reward for staking Fluky. With investors and traders looking to trade token as a new utility for the Fluky community and staking more Fluky to earn token could lead to a major price rally for Fluky Ino, Fluky USDT in the coming weeks and months as the price action remains bullish for this token. Ayan, totoo po yan. Kasi mas lalong-lalo na yung mga mahilig dyan sa staking ay talagang dadagsa sila dito sa community ni Fluky Ino. Ayan, kasi marami rin po talagang mahilig mag-stake dyan kasi passive income po yan. Kaya yan, maraming bilang yung mga mahilig sa mga staking. Fluky Ino USDT trades above its 50-day EMA, signifying a bullish price trend for this token as it trades above its 75% FIB value in favor of the bulls. The price of Fluky Ino could drop to a region of 40 digits 3, acting as support just above the 50-day EMA. Fluky Ino retracing to a region of 40 digits 300 is healthy as the price on higher time frames remains bullish with a MACD and RSI indicating bullish price action for this token. Ayan. Yung major support ni Fluky Ino dito sa pair na Fluky Ino USDT support zone ay $6. Resistance zone ay 40 digits 4. Yung MACD trend ay base sa MACD trend indicator ay bullish ang signal natin dito kay Fluky Ino USDT. Yan na dito naman po tayo kay XRP. Ayan. XRP remains a big talking point in the cryptocurrency market as the price of XRP USDT eyes a major price rally after showing signs of breaking out of its range of price movements for months now. Ayan, nagkaroon po tayo ng breakout sa kanyang monthly chart time frame. There has been speculation from analysts and top firms of the price of XRP USDT rallying to $300 and $1,000 in the coming bull run as on-chain analysis indicates the price of XRP USDT. Ayan, may mga nagsisilabasan ng mga analyst na pwede raw pong umakyat sa ganito kataas na presyo si XRP. Ayan, ang tindi po niyan, $300 to $1,000. After trading in a range for weeks, the price of XRP USDT broke out of the range of $0.5 as the price rallied to a high of $0.55. The price was quickly rejected from its key resistance as the price of XRP USDT aims to rally higher above a region of $0.65. If the price of XRP USDT breaks above the region of $0.65, we could see the price of XRP USDT rally high to a region of $0.75 to $0.9, as the price would face little to no resistance as the price would rally higher. The price of XRP USDT currently trades above the 50-day EMA, indicating bullish price action as the XRP USDT needs to trade above 38.2% FIB value for the price of restart its bullish rally to a region of $1. Yan daw po ang mangyayari base sa Fibonacci indicator kung aakyatin niya ang region or ang presyo na $1. The volume, MACD and RSI all indicate bullish price action for XRP or USDT as the price is yet to replicate XRP's on-chain rise in a bullish trend. Ayan, dito po yung support zone natin kay XRP, 0.46. Resistance zone naman ay 0.55. Ayan, ang base sa market condition or yung market trend niya kay MACD ay bullish po. Dito naman po tayo kay Dogecoin. Ayan po si Dogecoin. The price of Doge USDT saw some resurgence after trading in a region of $0.55 for weeks as the current price action saw buyers push the price of Doge USDT from support of $0.055 to a high of $0.07 before suffering a price decline by bears to $0.067. Dogecoin price has remained in the shadows of Lucky in the past few weeks despite showing a minor price bounce as the price of Lucky saw over 150% price rally as compared to Doge rallying by barely 30% in the current uptrend as bears remain dominant. After a breakout from its trendline resistance, the price of Doge USDT saw its price rally above its 50-day EMA as the price currently trades above 25% FIB value, which is a good sign for the bulls. Ayan. Meron po tayong nakita rito na magandang sign dito sa 50-day EMA ni Dogecoin. Kaya yan, the price of Doge USDT rallied to a high of $0.075 after its breakout was confirmed but was quickly rejected from this region as the price attempted to break above its $0.075 corresponding to a 50% FIB value. If the price of Doge USDT flips the high of $0.075, we could see the price rally high to a region of $0.09 to $0.1 as Doge USDT remains a major part of the crypto space ahead of X announcing its new features of video and audio. Ayan daw po ang posibleng mangyari dito. Ayan, posible pong aakyat daw po si Dogecoin sa presyong 0.075. Ayan, kung makikita natin na kung magkakaroon talaga ng magkakaroon talaga ng rally dito. Ayan, at ayan po, yung support line natin ay 0.46. Yung major support line po natin dito kay Dogecoin. Yung resistance line naman po natin ay nasa 0.55. Yan, bullish na rin po yung market trend natin base sa MACD. Yan, so si Fetch AI naman po or FET or FIT. Yan, Fetch AI. Fetch AI has remained a watch for many traders and investors as the hype for AI artificial intelligence could be in the pipeline as Fetch AI USDT saw its price rally by over 50% in the past few weeks as price iced many highs. Ayan, nagkakaroon po ng interest ang mga traders sa mga artificial intelligence na tokens. Ayan, kasi medyo umuuso na po ngayon yung mga projects na may kaugnayan sa mga AI. The price of FET or USDT has enjoyed many highs to a region of $0.6 after rallying with much volume to that high during the hype of AI tokens. But the price suffered much decline in the hands of bears as the price of FET dropped to $0.18. After dropping from its yearly high of $0.6, the price of FET formed a strong support of 0.8. Ayan, the price of FET formed a strong support of $0.18, where its price ranged for weeks before breaking out of its range above $0.27, as the price currently trades above the 50-day EMA and 50% fib value as price aims a retest of $0.6. And the volume or MACD and RSI for FET USDT on the daily and other higher time frames indicate that the price could aim for the yearly highs as the price needs to trade above the key resistance of $0.4 to trend higher. Ayan, yan po yung support line niya. Major support line niya nasa 0.27 at yung kanyang major resistance line naman ay nasa 0.4. Ayan, ganun din po sa ibang mga crypto or altcoins natin dito. Ang kanyang market trend ay bullish na rin po base sa MACD trend indicator. Syempre, yan naman si Shiba Inu. Ayan, nandito naman po si Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu remains a huge talking point among the meme coin community as the price of SHIB USDT has struggled in recent times as price failed to trend higher above the hype of its Shibarium launch, as the price of SHIB USDT struggles to show any bullish price action. After dropping from its high during the massive hype and rallying to a high of 40 digits 1500 or 1500, the price mentioned a bearish price run as bears pushed the price of SHIB USDT to a low of 50 digit 66 below its 50-day EMA. Ayan, mula nung nabasag daw po yung support line natin dito sa 40 digits 1500 ay dyan naman po nag-umpisa na nagkaroon ng matinding bearish price run at bumagsak ng todo ang presyo ni Shiba Inu hanggang sa napakababang presyo na ito na 50 digits 66. The price of SHIB USDT after weeks broke out with a minor bounce above the 25% fib value as the price aims to reclaim its price above 50 digits 850. Nakabawi naman po siya at umangat sa presyong ito, acting as a key resistance for SHIB USDT as a break and close above the region would see price rally to makakabalik sa siya 40 digits 1. Yan, kumbaga nabasag daw po yung yung kanyang key resistance. If the price of SHIB USDT fails to hold above 25% fib value, we could see the price of SHIB retest its low of 50 digits 660, acting as a demand value as the price has formed a strong support around this region. Ayan, matindi raw po yung suporta na ito or support. The MACD and RSI have indicated a change from a bearish to a bullish price trend, but it all comes to a breaking and closing above its key resistance of 50 digits 850. Meron naman pong resistance dito. Ayan, ito po yung major support line niya. Yan, yung 50 digits 660, yung harang po yan sa ilalim. At ito naman yung major resistance zone niya, yung harang naman po ito sa itaas, 50 digits 850. Ayan, yung kanyang market trend ay bullish po base sa MACD trend indicator. Ayan, yan po ang 5 na mga top 5 cryptos na kailangan daw po nating tututukan or tutukan sa loob ng linggo na ito. Yan po ay walang iba kundi sina XRP, Dogecoin, si Fluke Inu, si Shiba Inu at ang Fetch AI or ang FET. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.